India has been assembling chips for years, testing them, packaging them, shipping them. What it has not done until now is build the facility to do that at a scale that global customers take very seriously. The Tata Electronics plant in Jaggi Road, Assam is weeks from commercial production. This week, the customer list got considerably more interesting. Qualcomm Technologies and Tata Electronics have announced in February of 2026 that Tata will manufacture Qualcomm automotive module products at the Jaggi Road facility, joining Qualcomm's global network of module manufacturing partners for automotive platforms covering digital cockpits, infotainment, connectivity, and intelligent vehicle systems. Tata Electronics and Intel have also signed an MOU to explore manufacturing and packaging of Intel products at both the Assam facility and the Dhulera fabrication plant in Gujarat. The plant itself basically is built on the site of a defunct paper mill in Jaggi Road with an investment of 27,000 crore rupees. We did a detailed story on this on front page last week, so if you haven't seen it, please go ahead and take a look. Now, of course, back to this. The facility has designed a capacity of 48 million packaged semiconductor chips per day once fully ramped up, serving automotive, EV, communications, and consumer electronics customers domestically and globally. The packaging technologies include wire bonding, flip chip, and integrated systems packaging. The back-end processes that take a bare semiconductor die and turn it into a component a manufacturer can actually use. And here, of course, is the front page take. The honest context? Well, India's semiconductor ambition has two tracks moving at different speeds. The OSAT track, which essentially is assembly, test, and packaging, is actually moving faster. The wafer fabrication track, including Tata's Dhulera plant, faces more complex engineering and leadership challenges, with the first chip from Dhulera now targeted for December of 2026. Qualcomm and Intel are not signing agreements with a plant that is not going to deliver. The customer list is definitely the clearest signal available that Jaggi Road is real, operational, and entering the global semiconductor supply chain on terms that matter. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.